We are now going to page 85. We are going to learn about conjunction. Okay, so let us see what is a conjunction. Now, in your book, they have given you, it is a word that joins words or phrases or sentences. For example, and, or, but, because, if. There are many more. If you want, you can write down more also over there. So, let us see how it is used. Now, when it joins two words, suppose I say books and pencils are kept in the bag. So, here you can see and is joining these two words books and pencils. But suppose we want to join two parts of a sentence or two different sentences, even then we can use and. For example, books are for writing in. That means we write in the books, and pencils are for writing with. That means we write with a pencil. So, pencils are for writing with is one sentence and books are for writing in is one sentence. So, this and is joining two sentences. And is always when you want to say one thing and one more thing. But when you want to show opposite type of things, then we use but. For example, if I say pencil writing can be erased, that means you can rub it out. But writing in pen cannot be erased. So, here but shows you opposite type of things. That means yes, here you can, but here you cannot. Now, or, whenever you have or, it shows you an option, choice. Suppose I say you can choose French or Sanskrit. Now, in school, suppose in 8th standard you have a choice. So, you can take French or Sanskrit. Now, this or joined these two words. Next example, because. Because will always show you reason. So, when I say I did not go to school because I was sick, or you can use I was ill. Here because gives you why did I not go to school? Because I was sick. They have given one more, if. Now, if can come in the beginning or if can come in the middle also. But what is the difference when we write it in the beginning or in the middle? If you come early, comma, you will get good seats. Sometimes you have first come first serve basis. Wherever you want to sit, you can sit. So, if you come early, you can get good seats. Now, this if has come in the beginning. If it comes in the beginning, please note you have to write with a comma. But suppose you want to put it in the middle and you can write it this way. You will get good seats if you come early. So here when you put if, no need of comma. Only if you put it in the beginning, you have to put comma. There are many more conjunctions. If you want, you can write them down. Unless, though, although, even if, even though, not only but also, after, before, while, as well as soon as, till, until, and so many others. All your WH question words can also act as conjunctions to join two sentences. Suppose I say, I will come when I have the time. So here when is joining the two sentences, I will come and I have the time. Same way, I will come after I finish my lecture. I brush my teeth before going to sleep. I eat potato chips while I study. So you can use many of these to join the sentences or sometimes just join two words. That is known as a conjunction. Have you understood? Conjunctions can be just in the beginning also. Now here you can see I have given you though. Though, unless can be in the beginning. But if it is in the beginning, you know we have to put a comma. Let us take one more example. Though I did my project properly, comma, the teacher rejected it. So here you can see why do we have this comma here? Because though has come in the beginning. If it was in the middle, the teacher rejected my project though I did it properly, then you don't have to put comma. Same thing with unless. If I say unless you study, comma, you will not pass. But if I say you will not pass unless you study, if the conjunction is in the middle, then you don't have to put a comma. Just remember that much.